Assalamu alaikum. Today, I feel deeply honored to stand before you and speak on a very important occasion, World Orphans Day, also known as WOD. World Orphans Day observed on every year and on 20th April, which has been declared from the Worldwide Organization for Charity, WOC. And in the sentence, World Orphans Day, we have to know who are orphans. Yeah, whose ages are under 18 and have lost one or both parents. Those are called orphans. And here you have to know which type of challenges they are facing. The first thing is poverty. We have our life and also they have their life, but they have a huge lack of their poverty. The main thing is they can't get enough food which they need, and also they can't get enough type of clothing and also health care. And the second thing will be the education gap. This is a very huge thing. We go to school, we can get knowledge, but look at them. Most of the orphans can't attend in school. Actually, they need to go to school, but they can't because the main thing is, and the third point is the emotion. That is, they are loneliness. They are feeling so lonely because we have our parents. They don't have parents to guide them, to care them, to love them. And if they had that, so they guided them to go to school for educating them. But these are the main challenges which they are facing. If I talk about a real life example, that suppose you are going into a road and you can see most of the time some orphans just live on the street without any protection, without proper clothing, without enough food, and also without even health care. So how sad are they? This is a very sorrowful thing. And of course, will we just see that? Shouldn't we do anything for them? What is our responsibility? Of course, we have a responsibility. The first thing is government can record the exact or right laws and protect them, and also the organizations are encouraged for education and shelter, and also clothing, foods, extra, also healthcare. And then we as a community, as an individual, what do we have to do? We have to stay together in kindness, not rushing. So these are the main point for us. These are the responsibility. And also, if you in the World Orphans Day, in this day, what do we have to do? Of course, we have a responsibility in this day. What are those? This is the day for just orphans. This is not the day for us. This is the day that we have to spend our times with them. Of course, we will visit to them in the street children who are orphans, and we can provide them, we can give them gifts, toys, and also clothing. Because if you can imagine for the winter, in the winter there are very cold weather, and in the weather the orphans can't get enough clothing for protect themselves from the cold. So we have to give them proper clothing for that. And also, we are educating from the school, but most of the orphans can't educate. So to educate them, we can give education materials like books and notepads, pens, this type of education materials we can provide. And if we have a better economy, so You can, of course, you will provide monies for them that they can use for themselves. And also to make them more happy, you can spend more time, you will eat delicious foods and drinks also, and you can take photos, selfies, etc. And then if you have the options, of course, you'll invite them into your home and then you will enjoy together. So these are the main responsibility in this day, because you have to know this is the day for orphans. This is the day not for us actually. So we must need to spend our time with them. We have to make them happy. If you look any orphans in the street, of course you will make him happy first. Okay, so from the next World Orphans Day, from the next 20th April, we won't just sit, we will show, we won't just talk our love. We will show our love, we will show careness, we will show our responsibility. So that's all. Thank you.